Now we've held some workshops about that connecting shadows,
Oh,
and
nice.
it's an interesting thing. How why would you say that's important?
Mm.
Is it the way that your eye travels around the painting, or what?
I think so. Maybe it has, maybe it's similar to this color scheme that I showed you before, that you don't have one color and the other color, but somehow they have like conversation together. You know, they're not like standing like far away, but
Yeah,
somehow they want to be friends. So I think it's the same with boats. If we have the spacing between them, it looks like they don't like each other. It's like if you take a photo of group of people and they're standing 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter. It's like during the COVID, you know, they don't really want to be together.
yeah.
But if they're holding hands or they're hugging, it's more like nice image of happy people. So for me, it's like probably it has some like technical explanation, but for me, it's more about creating this atmosphere in the painting that's more welcoming, more like friendly, and yeah, has some nice feelings. Yeah, so for me,
Yeah.
it's like they are holding hands. Yeah, so
No,
that's what I do.
that's a good analogy.